Yep, so this is the primer that I was talking about in the other setting spray for makeup, and this actually helps me out as well. I was recommended this primer because the lady actually has done other performers makeup, and she recommended me this primer to like really kind of like set it in place. Like she said I would sweat, but it's not like makeup sweat, like, if that makes sense, like just your sweat. So anyway, this is called the View Hourglass mineral primer, and it's oil free, and it's broad spectrum of SPF 15, and this is what it looks like. And then you can see the expiration date of 11/19 Hourglass, and on the back it has the active ingredient. Let me see if I can. And it says uses to help prevent sunburn. If used as directed with other sun protection measures, see directions, decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by skin. And apply literally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use as a water resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. So I use this for when I'm definitely like sweating. So reapply at least every 2 hours, and that's if you're, if you're going to swim, whatever. Spending time in the sun increases your, oh Jesus, okay. So I apply this on, and then like it just pretty much like if you're using this, if you're going out into like in the sun and stuff like that, you can definitely use this as well. But I use this for when I'm like sweating, to make sure that my primer is set into place, because I know I sweat hard. So, and this is what the bottle looks like. I actually got the travel size again, and excuse me, but it has the larger size as well, and this is what it looks like. So I don't want to kind of like use too much, because a little does like go a long way. It doesn't really have a scent to it. It's like really like a light smell. I mean, I really hardly smell anything. But on the directions, as I say, that you shake the bottle. There's directions on here. I think it's on the other bottle. Okay, here we go. So there we go. So you shake well, you apply with your fingertips or an hourglass brush and follow with foundation for a truly flawless complexion. So that's what I do. I apply this on first, and then I go over with my foundation, and definitely it's really smooth. I use my fingertips to make sure that it's evenly distributed into my skin. And so what I do, just shake it up, and then it looks like, let me see, still kind of trying to put a little bit on my skin, so I don't want to use too much. This is what it looks like when you press it out, and then I just just rub it into my skin. Is it like I don't know, it leaves my skin not dry, but it's like kind of, I don't know, not silky. I can't explain it. Like, it's not real. Like, it feels like my face is not real. It was funny because my mom, when she saw me apply this on before I had to go out, she was like, "Can you just leave that on your face?" And I was looking at her, because my face looked like a bluish white, sorta, because of this product. And my mom looked at my skin. I was just like, Mom, I went back and I was just like, okay, do you see why you're supposed to follow up with a foundation? Because at first she was saying she can use that on her face for a primer, and I was just like, no, this is to apply foundation afterwards, and there's a reason why. So let her see it. Yeah, let me fix the story. So I let her see it, and she's like, oh. She was like, I see why you're supposed to follow up with the foundation. I was like, yeah. So it just helps to stay foundation in place, especially if you're a person that has oily skin and if you sweat a lot. This, with the combination of my setting spray, my makeup isn't going anywhere at all. I've been in hot places before, Not a long time, but it definitely, my face was starting to place. Well, let me rephrase that. Yes, I have been in a hot environment, very hot. I was the humidity was very hot. Was my makeup going anywhere? Nope. Was I sweating? Yes. But was my makeup going anywhere again? No. When I sweat, like I said before, it's not the makeup that's rolling off my face. It's the sweat, and that's what the lady, beautiful, nice lady, recommended me to get. So when I was sweating, I actually, was just dabbing my face, just patting it to make sure my makeup wasn't going anywhere, which it was not. My face still looked flawless, still looked nice, still looked pretty. And even after when I was done, like I said before, my mom said my makeup didn't go anywhere at all. So applying this, you definitely apply it all over your face, underneath, around the chin, just anywhere that you're really pretty much applying on makeup. You don't want to miss the spots on your face because you don't want to see like that white bluish tint on your face. Now for people that does, I don't know, like I've never seen anybody going to swim with makeup. Well, I really haven't seen anyone going to swim with full face of makeup, but for anything else, I definitely recommend this primer. I absolutely love it. My face loves it, and yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about this Hourglass. My face absolutely loves it. It works like a charm. My makeup is still in place, and I love it. So again, this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer.